9 minus 6 gives us 3, and again, inside the parentheses, 6 minus 3 gives us 3. Finally, 3 times 3 gives us 9, which is our final answer. But this answer is not correct, because we didn't follow one of the most important rules in mathematics called the order of operations. The order of operations is known by the short acronym called the PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents and roots, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in every mathematical expression, we first solve parentheses, then the exponent, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Keep in mind that multiplication and division have equal priority. That means if an expression contains both operations, we move from left to right, performing whichever operations that appear first. The same rule also applies for addition and subtraction. 9 minus 6 times 6 minus 3. Here we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and inside our parentheses, we have a subtraction. Our multiplication is here. In mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, that means this number is multiplied by the expression or the number inside the parentheses. But for simplicity, we don't write the sign of the multiplication. So here, our expression is 9 minus 6 times 6 minus 3. According to PEMDAS, we must calculate the parentheses first. So 6 minus 3 gives us 3, and our expression becomes 9 minus 6 times 3. We have a multiplication and a subtraction, and we know, according to PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than the subtraction. So 6 times 3 gives us 18, and our expression becomes 9 minus 18. 9 minus 18 gives us negative 9, which is our final and correct answer.